nagpakilala ito silang, yung una ditong foreign national, nagpakilala itong pamangkin at agent ng isang lending company owned by a certain James Kumar. So siya ngayon ang pangalawang victim. Ang unang victim, yung prenumisuhan nila kung saan kaya daw nilang mag-process ng loan. That they can do facilitation of a loan facility at meron silang hinihingi na commission doon sa pag-process ng loan facility, kung kaya humingi muna sila ng commission, not in the form of cash, but in the form of a luxury bag.
All in all po, nasa 12,362,000.
Ano po yun yung mga luxury bags?
Luxury bags po, watches, jewelries, and cash po.